In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to filter RFQs by product weight and cube size and save your custom view for future use. These columns are particularly useful when we want to focus on items with a max weight or cube size to avoid larger and heavier items. On the left menu, click on DLA RFQs. This is where you'll see a list of all RFQs. Click on the Filter button at the top of the table. Then click Add Filter to begin setting your custom search criteria. First, choose weight less than toten. This will filter and show us the RFQs less than 10 pounds. Next, click Add Filter again. This time, choose cube less than 10. This will filter and show items less than 10 cubic square foot. Now click the Apply button. You'll now see only the RFQs that match your specified weight and cube size. To keep this filtered view for later, click the Save button at the top. Choose Save as New. Give a name to your new view. For this example, we'll name it Small Products. Click Save. Now you can see your new view with the filtered columns.